If you stepped away from your business for 2 weeks, completely unplugged, no emails, no checking Slack, no just quickly logging in, would it still be standing when you got back? Or would it collapse the second you removed yourself from it? Be honest. Because for most business owners, the business isn't a structure, it's a Jenga tower. And you are the bottom brick. The moment you pull yourself out, everything wobbles. Clients wait, sales slow, admin piles up, delivery pauses. That isn't growth, that's dependency. Most business owners I work with are trapped in what I call the reactive cycle. They are the glue literally holding everything together. But glue is fragile, and you don't need to be the glue. What you need is a backbone. I'm Shelly Shulman, and I help business owners move from scattered and reactive to organised, clear, and proactive. My job is to help you build the backbone of your business, the systems and the strategy that will keep it running even if you're not working. If you're ready to build a business that holds its own weight, please hit that like button so that this video reaches more business owners who need to hear it. And subscribe if you want practical advice every single week, because today we're defining the concept that changes everything. What is a business backbone? Simply put, your business backbone is the combination of systems, strategy, and support that allows your business to function without being dependent on your constant presence. Think about the human body. Without a spine, you cannot stand upright, you can't walk forward, and you definitely cannot run. You collapse. And yet, so many businesses are operating without structural support. They are a collection of tasks, a to-do list masquerading as a company. And that's not a business. That's pressure waiting to happen. Your backbone has three core vertebrae. And if one is weak, you feel it. One is the systems, the structure. Systems are the repeatable processes that remove dependency on your memory, your mood, and your motivation. Yes, knowing how to fix a Facebook setting or connect Zoom properly is useful, but these are micro skills. But a backbone is built on macro systems. It's the difference between I don't know how to send a newsletter and my email nurture sequence runs automatically and consistently, whether I remember to send it or not. It's the difference between I post when I have time and my marketing operates on a schedule that supports my revenue. Systems create predictability, predictability creates stability, and stability is what allows growth to feel calm instead of chaotic. So, number two is the strategy, the direction. A spine doesn't just hold you up, it connects everything to the brain. Strategy is the brain of your business. Without strategy, you can be incredibly busy, but completely misaligned. You can post daily, launch often, show up everywhere, and still not grow. Strategy answers the uncomfortable questions. Where is revenue actually coming from? What assets are we building? And what is strengthening the structure? And what is actually just noise? A strong backbone means that every single system feeds an end goal. Every action has a direction, and you stop confusing motion with progress. And number three, support, the muscle. Even the strongest spine cannot move without muscle. Support is your tech stack, it's your automation, your VA, your team, the tools that hold weight so you don't have to. And this is where many business owners resist. They say, I should be able to do it all myself. But you cannot be the spine, the muscle, and the nervous system all at once. If you are delivering, marketing, selling, onboarding, invoicing, and troubleshooting all manually, you don't have a business. You have a job with overhead. And eventually, you will feel that strain, that tension, that heaviness. And ultimately, that will lead to burnout. If your business feels heavy right now, it's not because you're incapable, but it's because you're carrying too much weight without any structure. Because when you build a business backbone, something shifts. You stop waking up at 3 a.m. wondering if you forgot to do something. You stop panicking when life happens and that means you can't be in the business. You stop feeling like one bad day or one bad week could unravel absolutely everything. And you start operating like a CEO. Calm, clear, and intentional. A business with a backbone is resilient. It survives disruption. It continues through low energy seasons and it supports your life instead of consuming it. And that's the real goal. Not more tasks, not more hustle, structure first. Growth follows. So if you're watching this thinking, oh, my business feels a little unstable, good, because awareness is the first vertebrae. Start with systems, not everything, just one area. Lock down your onboarding, automate one nurture sequence, map your revenue path, build one piece of structure this week. And if you want practical step-by-step guidance, then subscribe to the channel. I will share hints and tips every single week. I've been Shelly Shulman, and I'll see you in the next video.